Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The best Rheem heating element is probably one of the most crucial components in ensuring your home stays warm and comfortable during those chilly months, and today we're diving deep into the Rheem Xe40m06st45u1 model to see if it truly lives up to the hype and delivers the reliable performance you expect from a top-tier heating solution, especially when considering its impact on your energy bills and overall system efficiency. Number 5. Rheem SP20060 Electric Water Heater Tune-Up Kit. Keep your Rheem electric water heater running smoothly with the SP20060 Tune-Up Kit. This essential repair kit ensures optimal performance and longevity for your unit. Designed as a comprehensive repair solution, this kit addresses common issues that can affect your water heater. It's the perfect way to maintain your appliance. Conveniently packaged as a plumber's pack, this tune-up kit contains all the necessary components for a professional repair. Save time and effort with this all-in-one solution. Regular maintenance with this tune-up kit helps maintain your water heater's peak efficiency. Ensure you always have hot water when you need it by using quality replacement parts. Trust in the quality of Rheem for your water heater maintenance. This genuine tune-up kit is specifically designed for your model, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable operation. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive solution for your water heater maintenance. If you're looking for a convenient all-in-one package to get your Rheem water heater back in top shape, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for homeowners who prefer to handle their own repairs with all necessary components readily available. What people say. Replacement went smoothly and the new element works perfectly, which solves the problem and leaves me a lot of spare parts. Fit and works as it should. Exact replacement and easy to install. Working like a new water heater. Number 4. Rheem SP10869mm Screw-In Element. Experience superior heating performance with this premium resistor stainless steel element. It's designed for durability and efficient operation. This element delivers a robust 4,500 watts of power at 240 volts. It ensures rapid and effective heating for your needs. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this component is built to last. Its resistor design enhances longevity and reliability. Installation is straightforward thanks to its convenient 1-inch screw-in mounting type. It fits securely with NPSM threading. With a watt density classification of LWD, this element is engineered for optimal efficiency. It operates effectively across 208V and 240V inputs. Measuring 13.44 inches in length and 0.316 inches in diameter, it's designed for a precise fit. The 1:9 32-inch thread size ensures secure attachment. What we like. Experience enhanced durability and performance with this premium resistor stainless steel element. If you need a reliable, high-quality replacement for your water heater that can withstand demanding conditions, this is the one to consider. It's perfect for those who prioritize longevity and efficient heating. What people say. The Rheem Xe40m06st45u1 heating element is a direct fit for my Rheem tank. It heats up water quickly and efficiently. The installation was straightforward and it works as expected. Number 3. Camco 4500W 240V Screw-In Foldback Water Heater Element. Introducing a universal screw-in heating element designed for most replacement needs. It's engineered to reduce lime buildup, especially in hard water areas. This element delivers a robust 4,500 watts of power from your 240-volt appliance. Experience efficient heating for your hot water needs. Featuring a foldback-style plated copper tubing and a standard 1-inch threaded bushing, this element is built for longevity. It also includes a durable rubber gasket. Designed to fit a vast range of popular water heater models from leading brands. It's a versatile replacement part for many systems. This water heater replacement part is UL listed for safety in the US and Canada. It also comes with a convenient 1-year limited warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. Tackle hard water issues with this low watt density heating element designed to minimize lime deposit buildup. If you live in an area with hard water and want to extend the life of your water heater, this is a smart investment. It's also a great option if you need a universal fit for many different water heater brands. What people say. The Rheem Xe40m06st45u1 heating element is a direct replacement for the original element, making installation straightforward. This heating element provides consistent and reliable heating performance, ensuring the water heater operates efficiently. The durable construction of the Rheem Xe40m06st45u1 heating element is designed for longevity, offering a long service life. Number 2. Plumber's Electric Water Heater Tune-Up Kit. Keep your electric water heater running smoothly with this comprehensive tune-up kit. It includes everything you need to extend its lifespan and ensure optimal performance. Designed for broad compatibility, this kit fits most electric water heaters. It's the perfect solution for a quick and effective tune-up, regardless of your existing setup. Featuring upper and lower thermostats with a wide temperature adjustment range, you can easily set your desired water temperature. These thermostats provide reliable and accurate control for consistent hot water. This kit includes two powerful 4500W, 240V copper heating elements. They are built for high performance and durability, ensuring efficient heating of your water. With high electrical capacity and a snap-action design, these controls are made to last. Enjoy a long service life and peace of mind knowing your water heater is equipped with quality components. We stand behind the quality of our products. If you encounter any issues, please contact us for a hassle-free return or resolution. Buy with confidence. What we like. Revitalize your water heater with this complete tune-up kit, featuring dual high-power elements and essential thermostats. If you're looking to perform a full refresh on your electric water heater and ensure optimal performance, this kit is ideal. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts or anyone wanting to prolong their water heater's lifespan with a comprehensive solution. What people say. The Rheem Xe40m06st45u1 heating element is a direct replacement for the original element and fits perfectly. Installation was straightforward, and the heating element began working immediately, providing consistent hot water. The build quality appears robust, suggesting good durability for long-term use. Number 1. Rheem L300F Furnace Replacement Limit Switch 47-22861-01. This is a brand new, top-quality OEM replacement limit switch. It's designed to fit your Rheem furnace perfectly, ensuring optimal performance. This part is a direct replacement for various Rheem models, including the L350 and 350F. It's also compatible with part numbers like 36TX16 and 611870. You can trust the quality of this OEM replacement part. It's built to meet the original manufacturer standards for durability and function. Replacing your old limit switch is straightforward with this part. It's designed for a hassle-free installation process. This limit switch plays a crucial role in your furnace's safety system. Ensure your system is protected with a reliable replacement. Measuring 6 by 6 by 6 inches, this switch is compact yet built to last. It's a dependable solution for your furnace needs. What we like. Ensure the safety and proper functioning of your furnace with this high-quality OEM replacement limit switch. If your furnace is experiencing issues related to its limit switch or rollout protection, this part is designed to provide a reliable fix. It's the go-to choice for technicians and homeowners seeking a direct, top-quality replacement for Rheem furnaces. What people say. Everything works fine with the part. 30 seconds to install. It fits our furnace. Reasonably priced and easy to install. Recommended. It fits and works perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.